Hey guys, welcome to another video. And today I'm going to be making
sugar cookie
with my children, Sky and Sev. I got it from the box. I'm not with the from scratch for cookies with kids because it's hard. Making
cookie. Yum yum yum.
sugar cookies. You're gonna follow the directions, and it calls for 1 egg, some butter, and just the mix. It's a really easy mix that I got from Lidl. Skyler cracked the egg. He completely got that. It was super easy. Then you're gonna add your butter and the mix according to the box. This is super easy and it's super fun for the kids because they feel like they're doing something, and it's really quick. Like, I like it. I like making cookies with them from time to time because it makes them excited about cooking, and I want my boys to know how to cook. So he does, like, so they are not like dependent. They can do for themselves. Then Skylar made like these cute little tiny balls of dough for him and Seven. They came out to be these cute little cookies. Yeah, so you just make your little balls on your sheet, and then you're gonna put it in the oven. I have Skylar put it in the oven because, yeah, why not? Because you're 5. So Skylar puts it in the oven, and yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Put it in the oven. Put it in the oven. Open. Open, 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 open.
Bake cookies, bake.
Just throw it in there. And I get the other one. Get our super big cookies.
My finger's hot, but I'm okay.
Your finger's hot. Okay.
Don't forget to eat your healthy food all day.
Yeah, this is definitely healthy. Your brother's about to have a sugar high. You need help to get.
I'm climbing the...
Thank you guys for the help. Cookie. I think these are still hot. Okay, here. Here's a baby cookie.
I want a cookie.
It's still hot.
I want a cookie. Yeah, I have a baby.
Is it good?
Cookie.
Come here.
Good.
It's good?
Yeah. And make sure to bake cookies because they're so good.
Is it good? No, it's not good? So why are you still eating it? Is it that bad? They're good.